This is a Tom Fool's knot. I'm not sure why it's called that. Perhaps it was invented by a guy named Tom, who was a fool, or his actual name was Tom Fool, or he was just a Tom Fool himself. Actually, it's called a Tom Fool's knot because of this double quick release when you pull on the ends and it releases the knot. Now, according to Wikipedia, it's also known as the conjurer's knot, bow knot, or Greek fool's knot. It's sometimes considered an inferior handcuff knot and a trick knot due to its speed of tying. And it also has a number of mainly decorative uses, but also functional ones like sailing, boating, camping, and bondage. Now, it's such a simple knot to tie that I've already tied it several times since the start of this video. And to tie this knot, you simply grip the strands, form a bite pointing downwards in between your hands, and then cross the left standing end over the right standing end and pull the loops out to the sides to form the knot. That is the Tom Fool's knot. And to undo this one, you pull on the running ends and the knot will undo itself. And here's a slightly alternate way of tying the knot. Make an overhand loop with one side and then an underhand loop with the other. Then cross the left loop under the right loop and pull the loops through to form the knot. Now, here's a practical use for it. It makes for a great way to adjust the ear loops on a mask. For some people, the loops may be too large, and tying this knot is the same way with an ear loop. It makes for a great ear loop adjuster as the knot itself can be adjusted by pulling on the ends of the knot. You can lengthen the loops, and you can pull on the small loops to shorten the loop. So tell me then, what else could you use this knot for? It does seem to work as a handcuff knot, but there are better ones for that, like the Prusik. Comment down below and let me know what you think. I surely wouldn't think that you'd be a Tom Fool for using this one. Now, thanks for watching, and a huge thank you to all my Patreon supporters who make videos like this possible. If you want access to exclusive content and the Weavers of Eternity Discord and want to support the channel directly, please feel free to check out my Patreon page. You can join for as little as $3 per month. You can also support the channel by liking the video, commenting, and subscribing. If you enjoyed the content here, feel free to check out what I have to offer on the rest of my channel.